Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju. I would like to present my story, how we come up and how we are successful in Herbalife business. And we are almost 18 years into this field, 18 years, and we very accidentally came into this field because of my wife. Actually, my wife was struggling to, do something part time to earn extra income because I was a busy officer. I go in the morning and come back by night. So that was the story. And let me, share my story. This kind of, take help of the PPT slides, PowerPoint slides. But before that, let me share this disclaimer. So we are in India, top 1% of the story. So we make a lot of money, but behind the income, there's a lot of hard work. Always remember this point. So to get more information, you can also visit our SAGC statement of average gross compensation is there in our website. And my name is Gnana Raju and my wife's name is Cynthia Raju. I am now 51 years. My wife age is 43 years. Now we are looking healthier and better. But once upon a time, we are not like that. You can see 27 years, I put on weight. And that white shirt, it was me. I worked as assistant IG, Inspector General of Registration Stamps. In Registration Stamps Department, I go into morning, I go, to get a non-judicial judicial stamp papers with kind of security and other things. And I also worked as a district registrar in certain districts like Khammam, Nalgonda, Vijayawada. So as a field post, it's entire registration department, I was the head. So it's like a very responsible post, and it's like sometimes it's also like a quasi judicial post. So adjudication also will be there and coordinating with the government in civil disputes on behalf of government. Those kind of issues will be. So very responsible post, and coordinating with the district administration, with the district collector and magistrate, and also sometimes with the, local officials, and also with the local MLA and local ministers and members of the parliament, and also with our head, boss, commission inspector general of registration stamps. That was situation, responsible post. I go in the morning and come back by night. That was the time Cynthia, my wife, was struggling to do something part time because I don't give time. So that was the situation. So looking at a newspaper advertisement in DC, the local newspaper, Deccan Chronicle. So in a classified, small classified, work from home part time, full time earn extra income. So I thought it's something like a home based job. She went to meeting. Then she got this opportunity, business opportunity, and she required to lose weight as part of the thing to become a coach. So she lost weight. You can see the transformation, and lot of transformation is there from then. It is here, you can see this 23 years. Here she is 43 years. In 20 years, how much is the transformation? You can see the transformation. Myself here in 27, left side, right side is 47. Now I'm 51 years. Lot of transformation is there then. So that's how my friends started asking, sir, what happened? So that's the reason why we were giving these products and giving this opportunity to everyone. So this is the brief story. Now we need to become first like magnets, like ice, what we call in Telugu ice means like a pulling people. So we should not chase the people, we attract the people with ourselves. So first, once you use the program, you become a better person, you become a healthy person, and you can attract the people towards you. And this is what we say: new person, new income; ordinary person, ordinary income. I want you to become extraordinary person so that you make extraordinary income. So now I quit my job after working there for 10 years as a government officer, group 1 officer. So it's a responsible post. Everybody laughed at me and they thought I'm mad to leave that such a responsible gazetted officer post. But now people are now admiring you did a good step, sir, because on that day you taken a decision, you are very visionary. That's why people are changing their words. And now most of the time I'm with my wife and my children. Now, after working there for 10 years in Group 1 services, and before that, I worked in LIC job for 5 years. I went to IAS interview, civil services interview level, and I did my master's, MSc in zoology. So now I know the things, and I resigned my job. Now I'm to fill, full-time wellness coach, health coach, and wellness coach. And you can see the transformation of my children. Also, they grown so taller. My wife became leaner. I also became leaner. Part of the we all mixed up with the children, and you can see who is holding whom. After 22 years, I used to hold before 22 years I used to hold my son child. Now he is holding me. So he grown so taller and healthier. This can happen to you if you believe it. Becoming better parents now, better family now. And are you a job seeker or job generator? This is what Abdul Kalam says. Job generator is something, like you have to create a lot of employment opportunities. This is not exactly job, but something like a opportunity, like a business or self-employment kind of business opportunity. So you can actually, instead of wait looking for a job, I was looking for a job all the time. You see, I used to look from one, jump from one job to other job. So whereas here I am generating a lot of people, some kind of opportunity. About 40,000 people are there in my team, and throughout AP, Telangana, and a lot of other states in Orissa, in UP, and a lot of other states. I'm expanding now. I want to expand even further. This is what is very important. In English, there's a phrase called teaching fish is better than giving fish. If you give fish, people eat and again show their hand. So you need to give the fish. No, 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 you should not give the fish. You should teach them how to fish so that they lifelong they depend on their own legs. Gandhi's talisman says, recall the face of the poorest and weakest man. And whether whatever you are doing will really change their destiny, really going to satisfy their hunger, and are they really going to be touched by your work? I used to remember this, Gandhi's test, acid test, and I was helping little bit, but I couldn't able to do so much like what I'm doing in Herbalife here. You can see so many people are my team, and I touch them, I give them some kind of training, and I change their mindset. Naturally, once you are successful, naturally people always throng for your speeches. So I've been like a guest speaker, several company meetings, and including our own company, they invite us to different states to give you a presentation. This is called guest speaking experience. It's a great experience. This is what again Abdul Kalam will tell you, that success is when your signature changes to autograph, meaning your signature should become autograph. Then people are really looking for your service. So this can happen to you if you believe. This happened in our life. This can also happen in our life. You can become, many, speaker to inspire the people who lost hope. For them, your words will give them hope. Words work like light to them, and you can lead an inspired life to, get emulated by so many people. If you really like this opportunity, welcome. And we go across the whole country. We keep traveling, and you can really touch a lot of people, and inspire them, and make depend. They can able to earn their money, extra income, work from home, part time or full time. Recently, we also got this award called 1 million Points Award. It's like $1 million. We were producing in this business. So this is the opportunity for your friends. So you can able to do it from home. Like what exactly required to do? Like a health coach or wellness coach. So you can see this is my small, my office come home. In the top we used to stay, and in the same ground floor we keep this office, like a nutrition center or wellness club. People come here for exercises. We keep track of their measurements, taking scanning, and we track the results also every week. How is the progress week wise and day wise? And we counsel them person to person in terms of diet and lifestyle and exercises, everything, personalizing counseling. And we also have to serve them wonderful, tasty shakes, nutritious shakes. And we conduct a lot of fun games in the club, and workout challenges also, and dance workouts, because people love different kind of workouts. They don't like only routine exercises. And this, you can see the blue t-shirt. This was me there before, and the green t-shirt was me. And you can see this. I was like a coach. I am a coach now, and doing follow up and doing customer care, and recognizing the people with the recognition wall. People, they got, whoever got excellent results, we put them on the wall, and you can see me there, recognizing the people, talking to people, interacting with the people. So basically people, you are serving people and helping them to get their great results, and in part of the healthy community. I'm creating healthy community, and also teaching them eating guidelines. Should you eat faster or slow, or small plate or big plate? Looking at cell phone and you can eat it, or how you should eat, and quantity, proportions, sizing, everything. Lot matters actually. Active and lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, passive lifestyle, active lifestyle, and when to sleep, how many hours to sleep. All this comes under part of the work. And this is my article in, again, Deccan Chronicle, 7 Signs of Sedentary Lifestyle. And I'm very fortunate to have my articles published in several magazines also, and several newspapers. across this about. I also got a lot of certifications in nutrition and fitness and sports nutrition and a lot of things. So I am into Zumba also. I'm a certified Zumba instructor and also a strong by Zumba instructor. And healthy dining out tips. We teach them, how to eat when you go out, how to understand the label. When you go to shopping, how to wisely do the shopping so that you don't waste the money. You properly buy and keep and eat properly so that you don't again regret later on for your expenditure. And teaching healthy recipes also. Like some people, they don't know how exactly to make healthy cooking and how much oil to be used, and healthy snacking also, and less calories, and ensure that there should be protein and vitamins and minerals and all that. And we also talk about proteins and sugars and carbs and fats and good fats and bad carbs, bad fats and calories management. And we also talk about shortcuts. Some people go for shortcuts and they get cheated, like keto diet and paleo diet and fat diets like Atkins diet and a lot of high fat diet, keto diet and high protein diet. Um, we call like Atkins diet, and a lot of intermediate like short. People always go for crazy, shortcuts, but we always give them right way to understand balanced diet and healthy exercises and healthy lifestyle habits correction, everything, and face to face across, so that we try to fix their problem like coach. Basically, you are like a coach, health coach or wellness coach. This is what exactly you require to do. You will be paid like anything. You'll get a lot of respect. It's not just the money, it's the person you become in the job is more important. That's what my mentor says, Jim Rohn. And I was a busy officer. I don't do exercise also. In morning, I go come back by night, and then I used to drink a lot of time tea, coffees. So now I do half marathon, 21 kilometers running, 40 kilometers cycling. I'm a triathlete. My children also triathletes. My wife also does workouts, and we get the annual bonus of 7 digits. Monthly, our monthly income is also in 7 digits. Annual bonus also 7 digits. We make a lot of money, right? So from 2011 onwards, we joined. From 2003, we joined. From 2006 onwards, we taken off. So it takes some time for a business to take off. But once it comes, your incomes will be like crazy. You don't understand. So much money you make. And we keep traveling to US, Singapore, Paris, Mexico, so many countries. And this is certificate of appreciation for paying government taxes, for contributing to government, nation building. So we pay a lot of taxes also. It's all, everything is white income. And in government job, they only give salary. In that salary, it will not be enough for me paying for the vacations. The left side I taken with my own money to Goa while I was in working in government job. So my wife and me, you can see the situation, our plight. Whereas here you can see company pays us everything free. Jodhpur vacation 2007, Mount Buller Australia vacation 2008, and kangaroo, birds, and all these things. You can see this. And 2009 we were in Paradise Island, Bahamas. Bahamas is near to US, very beautiful place. Kissing dolphin is a very wonderful experience. Egypt vacation 2010, and Hawaii. Hawaii is beautiful place near to US. It's a part of the US only. Submarine and helicopter ride and all that. 2011 we were in Maldives vacation, and we keep on going to Maldives. And this is international cruise, wonderful experiences all. Dubai vacation 2013, 14 we were in Hong Kong. You can see our children also going together in Bali, Indonesia, 2015, 2016 Phuket, Thailand, 2017 Abu Dhabi Sheikhs. We became Abu Dhabi Sheikh at this age. Abu Dhabi 2018 we were again in Singapore. So many times been to Singapore. And 2019 we became Turkey Sultans, in Istanbul, Turkey. So a lot of experiences. Our children also grown, they enjoy all these experiences. And 2000, now we require to, last year we would have gone to South Africa. We missed it because of COVID. And this year we're planning for going to Moscow, Russia. So why I'm telling you all this, so many countries we've been traveling, and otherwise in my job is not possible. Life is a collection of their experiences, their intention, their frequency. This is what my mentor again says, Jim Rohn. So different experiences. Whereas in my job, only in the morning I go and come back by night, and all low in energy and a lot of anger and frustration and all that. Though it's a big job and it's not balanced. Whereas here you can see beautiful experience, beautiful visits, and going to America is also a big thing for us in my job. It's like a lifetime dream. Whereas here, almost every year we keep going to US. We have 10 years visa, and we continue to get one more time, renewed it one more time, 10 years visa, and administrator to leader. Before in my government job, we can see kind of people with whom we are associated with. All their thinkings, when I get my pension, when I get my say increment and all that. Whereas here as a leader, you lead by example. You can write your own check. You say this month I want to 2 lakhs. You can write your own check, you can work. You can write your own 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40. You can dream how much ever you want, you can get so much you require. And before and after, a lot of experiences there, from the corporate world to government job, lot of experiences. And there is also one more thing, is the right association, very important. You require to disassociate with some people, disassociation with the wrong people, and you have to make extended association with certain valuable people, and require to make some healthy choices. You can see this, business people. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are friends, richest people, and Buffett and Bill Gates are friends. Warren Buffett and Bill Gates, Ambani, Adani are friends, and likewise, we also require to have some proper good association, correct? Whereas outside, who will give you good association, right? Friendship and mentoring, very important. Whereas here, we're mentored by and topmost class people like Founder Circle, Chairman's Club member, who makes more than 1 crore every month. So Susan Peterson from US, and Bia was from UK, and Leslie Stanford from Canada, Alan Lawrence from UK, Mr. and Mrs. Kim's couple from South Korea, and Julie and Pedro Cardoso from South America, and Amar Chatkan from Malaysia, Nani Ransel from Bolivia, Raquel Cortez from Mexico, Queenie from Hong Kong, and Jennifer Cole from US, Jerry Svitanovich from US, and Leon Weisman from Russia, now settled in Israel. So why I'm telling you, so many people, association, friends, right association, very important. They'll inspire you. They touch you. They see that, you definitely increase your bank account. And Jim Rohn, one of my wonderful guru and mentors is no more now, but I have an opportunity to meet him and talk to him, had lunch with him. Jim Rohn, a wonderful business philosopher, along with, you might have heard about Zig Ziglar and Brian Tracy. He is part of the same crowd. So same club. We like people, business philosopher, world class. And I happened to have lunch with them and our company CEOs. Shiv Khare, you might have heard about it. He written books called You Can Win, You Can Sell. Harsha Bhokle, cricket commentator, management guru. And Mary Kam, our brand ambassadors in boxing, you know it. Virat Kohli, superstars in cricket. We had opportunity to have lunch with Virat Kohli, and topmost celebrity doctors like Dana Ryan, Dr. Dana Ryan, she's a sports scientist, and Dr. Susan Bowerman, registered nutritionist, from Harvard. And we happen to meet these kind of wonderful people, celebrity doctors, and I happen to read their books also. Dr. David Heber is sought after scientist. He's a top 5 in America, doctors and scientists. Dr. John Agnubi is company CEO. He's part of White House before coming to Herbalife. Excuse me. Dr. Richard Henry Carmona, 17th Surgeon General of US. He is part of Board of Directors of America, our Herbalife company. Right association is very important. Cynthia, my wife, from housewife to a businesswoman. You can see the transformation. When I go to my job, she used to go for sweeping and swabbing and all those kind of things. Now she's like businesswoman. Of course, she does all these kind of things. See what a change from housewife to a businesswoman, and people, love her, and she is touching so many people. This can happen to you if you believe it. We don't have any hope before. And when my boss used to, threaten me that I'll suspend you, I get a panic. I get shiver because I don't know. I don't have any skills. I only have job skills. I don't have life skills. So this is very important here. This is what company teaches you. This is what we teach. I'm into this field for last 18 years. You can see the transformation, the way we grown, we changed. Now, recently she was awarded as Woman for Golden Telangana, Woman for Golden Telangana. So by IDSA, Indian Direct Selling Association, when why is strong, how is easy. You require to have a why, strong why. If why is very strong, why you want to work, why you want to grow taller, why you want to grow stronger, why you want to improve your life, then everything becomes easy, and we are there anyway to help you. And we have these president members, we call them president members in our company, meaning they make more than 10 lakh rupees per month, every single month. So in India, we have about 150 people. Out of them, I myself groomed about 15 people in my organization, a lot more had to come, meaning the people came across to my meeting and they changed their life. They are now making more than 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, every single one. Some people are making that kind of money. They have Jaguars cars and BMWs and Audis and big cars. So these are some of my superheroes who grown taking my word, also joined in my 18 years of experience. I'm not telling I'm great. I'm telling our support system is great. Our company is great. The way we grew our people is great. So why not to join our company? Skyrocketing healthcare costs is so much, and prevention is always better than cure. Part of the solution. Global spending is going up and up and up. So why not you save money and same time save your people's money? Opportunity is so huge in terms of weight management, health and wellness, and sport nutrition. And being born, born in India itself is a blessing. Why? We have so many people. Like in India, one state is equal to like country. So many people are there. Consumer base is there. People are looking for you. But why not to take this opportunity and grow, learn the skills, give the training, and no education qualification required, and every support is provided because we have our own in-house support system. Everything from the home. You can work from home, work for part-time, daily 1-2 hours, or full-time 5 to 8 hours, working on social media or offline, whichever way. Like everything is possible now, online. Everything's through social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, everywhere. So many things are there, and you can become a health coach and wellness coach, including of fitness and nutrition, lifestyle correction, coaching, everything. And your future is determined by the decisions you make today. So your decision determines your direction. If you take right decisions now, if you change your direction, that will change your destination. Otherwise, you'll continue to get the same old, things you got. So dream big. This is what I tell you. Dream big. Always don't settle for less. Don't be in the middle class. Like I was from middle class. Cynthia was from middle class. We changed. When we could change, you all could change. And you saw us, how we transformed ourselves. And we are a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner, cyclist, CPR certified, and Zumba and Strong by Zumba instructor. And worked in government for 10 years, and I resigned my job, and I have 51 years and I have 18 years experience in this field. To reach me, these are the phone numbers, and YouTube, Gnanaraju is my YouTube channel, emails and phone numbers. So you can always call us anytime. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you so much for your attention. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also forward this video to your friends and family members so that they also get benefited. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Bye.